Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar General haul. I hadn't filmed one of these in a while. I got a few things. It'll be a quick short haul. It's all house items and I know some of you enjoy these. I did need a pack of hangers. This is a 6-pack of just white basic hangers. These were $1. Only $1. I needed some wipes for the bathroom, so I picked up the softly scented 72 count of this Baby's Little Bear wipes. These were $1. These were $2.65, I believe. And I did pick up a new hand soap. This is 12 fluid ounces. This was in their dollar area, which is where most of this stuff is coming from. And it's an Island Bliss. It smells really good. I love the color of it. And can you guess? I love that it's in the mason jar. It is smaller by 3 ounces, smaller than the ones I had at DollarTree, but nonetheless, this is super cute. They had this one and a lavender one. Yeah, for $1. I mainly went in there to their dollar deals area, which a lot of things you can get cheaper there than the Dollar Tree now and their dollar deals. Like these items here, instead of $1.25 you're paying only $1. So I needed to stock up on my laundry items. I have plenty of fabric sheets, so I didn't buy fabric sheets this day, but I did get 2 of the Powerhouse in-wash scent boosters in fresh linen. These smell great. They had these and a lavender scent, but I do prefer the fresh linen. They're 12 ounces each for only $1. So I picked up 2 of those. And then they didn't have the laundry detergent I normally get, which is the Plus Fabric Softener, the fresh scent, but I've tried this in the past and it's just fine. It's LA's Totally Awesome Rain Fresh laundry detergent with stain lifter though, and with a 9-year-old, stain remover, stain lifter really comes in handy. I did pick up 2 of those for $1 each. These are 42 fluid ounces. It says you get 21 loads, and I always say this, I use 2 caps per load. I usually wash large loads, and these last about 11 loads each. To me, this is a good deal, and I'll continue to buy this. So now my laundry room is stocked again. I'm happy about that. And this particular product I've never tried before. I've never found it at my Dollar Tree, but it is the LA's Totally Awesome new formula, it says, and this is the Rust Lime Calcium Cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner. So, and it mainly focused on Rust Lime Calcium, and I was interested to try this. It is 32 fluid ounces for only $1, and it comes in a green bottle. I love green. And a spray bottle. Always check your sprayer at the store. I don't know, I hope it works good. Anyways, yes, that is all the items I picked up at the Dollar General in regarding to house items. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. And don't forget to ring the bell. So, thank you guys so very much for watching.